Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Walmart exclusive GDG44 themed automotive case. So this is the Silver Series line. It is the first series for 2026, starting with the Q case here you see. So like I said before, these are Walmart exclusive. I was fortunate enough to get a case of these. The first mix of 2026 is Compact Kings. So I'm going to bust this open and see what's inside. I know that there's been some confusion or some speculation as Mattel themselves have put out certain cars as being chase cars. We're going to clear the air here and see which ones, if any, are one to a case, or if we're truly getting two full sets in a case, as I suspect. So first car out of the case, we're going to go right for it. And the car in this mix that was claimed to be the chase car is the 91 Nissan Sentra SE-R. And we see one, and we see two. So, here's the deal. Obviously, two cars in the case. Mattel, even on the official Hot Wheels Showcase app, is claiming that this is a chase car. It was in the Sneaks presentation at the Hot Wheels convention as a chase car, so it wasn't a mistake. What is going on here is that this car is one of the, I think it should be the only car in the case that has a metal base. So you can see and you can feel, if you feel it, it's pretty heavy. What's being called the chase isn't really a chase. I know that Mattel is actually working on a new language, especially in regards to the Hot Wheels Showcase app, but for now, it's considered a chase, even though in the collector mindset, it is definitely not one. But this is the first car out of the series of 5 here, 5 of 5 in the mix. And you can see the little banner on the building there, the Compact Kings. So the 91 Nissan Sentra. We saw this car originally, it was in premium. Now we're seeing it in the Silver Series, I believe for the first time. It's been a couple premium releases thus far. But it's nice to see that the metal base is being carried over for the Silver Series. And yeah, very nice car. White out with a black hood, black rims. What are those, 5-star? Yes, 5-star. And obviously a black metal chassis. So that is the first car out of this case. The next one in this mix is number 3 of 5. It is the Subaru WRX STI. So we get those +4 wheels, the silver line exclusive wheels, +4s, and a flat kind of gray, anodized gray paint. And yeah, I love the parking. Like, do these? I don't know. No, these don't line up. Nope, it's the same artwork. But I thought maybe there was a chance that these would all line up on card here, but it doesn't appear. So, but obviously this is like the Silver Series version of the mainline Compact King series. So. But we are definitely seeing these, cars. We've got a nice mix of cars here with full detail on them. Obviously, and then this one has obviously the plastic base here, but we get those kind of semi-premium Silver Series wheels on here. So number 3 of 5 in this mix. Second car out of the case. The third car out of this case is number 1 of 5, the 12 Ford Fiesta. I think it's been some time since we've seen this casting. And it's good to see it back. It is. It was originally released in, I think it was either 2011 or 2012, as that Jimmy Cana, Ken Block Fiesta, and I think that car has actually gone up quite a bit in value now. So, but we are seeing it here in red, and this is what, just about 15 years later, right? Almost, and with the plastic base, white star wheels, got a really cool banner on the windshield, and that is because that's the metal piece. Yep, that's the metal piece that actually comes down. It's made for a banner, and so I'm glad that they actually decided to tampo it. Full detail, obviously. Yeah, I really love the tampos on these Silver Series cars. Are, I think some would say that they're even better than premium. Obviously they can't do like the full wraps like they do in premium because they're not direct ink jetted. Tampos are more applied to certain faces of the car. And that's why they tend to look cleaner. But this Fiesta is looking nice and good to see it back. The artwork is kind of intense, right? Does the car really look like that? It just seems the artwork seems really intense, but I like it. I love the attitude in the Compact Kings here. All right, next one out of the case. I think this one is going to end up being probably the most popular because yes, it's a Civic, 99 Honda Civic Type R EK9. I think we just saw this one at the convention too, not too long ago. Like, what was that, about a month ago? And now we're seeing it in Silver Series. We got the plastic base on the bottom, metal flake purple paint job. Really nice, like just a nice kind of purple, really cool graphic. Kind of fitting. I feel like it's fitting for this series. It's either, maybe of the era, right? The late 90s, early 2000s. Everybody's kind of putting graphics on their cars. And yeah, they're just kind of a nice, I don't know, just a nice touch. It seems very era appropriate, right? Kind of reminds me a little like a car you would see like maybe in the Fast and the Furious, one of the first couple of movies. But yeah, this one is nice. Probably not, I don't know if it's going to be everybody's favorite Civic, but I really like just how this one is different. And you got the modern muscle wheels on here in white, yellow seats. Very cool. And again, same artwork. I love the shot on these. I love that this kind of the front angle, I wouldn't call it a 3/4 angle, maybe like a 1/8 angle. And we're looking at this one, from the front for the most part, a little side view. And yeah, it just kind of fits nice on the card. Maybe we should see more of this style artwork on some blister cards. And the last one out of the case, we have number 405. It is the 15 Mazda MX-5 Miata. So this is the convertible Miata with the large wing on the back. Probably not everybody's favorite Miata, but it does have the roll bar, plastic base on this one. So the only one in this case that has a metal base is the Sentra, a la the chase car, quote unquote chase car. But yeah, you just get this, again, cool rooftop shot of the car. You got some buildings in the back, very nondescript place. Could be downtown LA, Tokyo, heck, even Phoenix, where I'm from. Got the mountains in the back, but very cool. So that makes up the mix. So these are appearing here in the United States exclusively at Walmart, as I mentioned before. This is the Q case. So if you're seeing some cases on the palette and you know what Themed Automotive looks like with the GDG44 case code, you're going to want to look for case Q. That is the first mix of 2026, the Compact Kings. So let me know what you think. I'm glad I was able to get a case of this and share it with you. Let me know which one is your favorite car out of this mix, because I'm interested here. I honestly don't know. I think this is one of those mixes that there is definitely room for debate as to which one is the best one in this mix. So leave it in the comments. Let's talk there. Let me know if you have any questions. And we'll get on to 2026, right? I got a couple cases of 25 to wrap up with, and then straight on to 2026. As always, thank you for watching.